If I even want to get in, I need to take care of these wasps. Nasty, nasty wasps. That's why I'm up at the crack of dawn. So that's just one of the nests. I see wasps going in and out of areas of the truck bed, in and out under the hood. On the driver's side door, inside the door crack, there is a wasp nest that I took care of last year that I think is active again. It's time to take care of this. Okay, so the first one to take care of is this one here. Maybe we'll take that out a little bit. There's like waspy goop everywhere. One down. Okay, so this next one's a little tougher. It is in the crack of this door here. So first, I'm gonna try spraying inside there. I'm not seeing any wasps. Maybe this one, this is the one I took care of last year, but I never cleaned out. Maybe it is abandoned. No, I see one wasp struggling to come out. I might need more wasp spray. There's another one up top. Do I dare open the door? Ugh. There's the start of one. Looks like they chose not to finish that one. All right, so there was that one. I'm out of wasp spray, dang it. I need more wasp spray. There's nests all in the grill, and they're live. Dang it, one can was not enough. Okay, back with more spray to take care of these other nests. I'll get a little more on this one. A thunderstorm threatening here. Here's a little better shot of these. Got one in there, one down there. This one's a pretty big one. This one here is still, and this other one's a big one too down here, but it is not wanting to come up and out. All right. You have like some spider webs, and there's a wasp stuck in the spider web. So while I'm in here, some of the cool things about this truck, it's got a TRD supercharger on it. It's a 3.4 liter V6 engine. This thing runs like crazy, or ran like crazy. We've got a fairly new battery on it. I had the clutch replaced just before I parked this, actually. Needs a bit of a cleanup in the engine. Our power steering's not working, and so it's hard to steer. But yeah, it's a pretty cool truck. Tires are in good condition. Look, there's a grasshopper. And I'm gonna try to dig through and see if we've got any more wasps on this. All right, here are some of the wasp nests in the door. Let's grab that screwdriver here. We'll see if we can pump some of them out. Yeah. Wasp carcasses everywhere. Eesh, I don't want it in the cab at all. Ooh, that one's... So, there's all the nests that were just in the slit of the door. Ugh. Now timing's about right. We're about to get rained on. I do want to dig into the truck bed and see. I suspect that there's some wasp nests. I've seen wasps going in there and over here. But we might have to take care of that after this rain. Yee. So the rain is done now, and I've located 2 more wasp nests in the truck bed. The wasps, it's no longer morning, it's like 10 o'clock now, and the wasps are out and about. So I've got one that's down in here, and one that's back in here. That's one. This other one. Yeah, in there. All right, I think I've got all of the visible nests. Next thing to do is to try to jump this thing, and then we'll start cleaning this thing out. We'll pull it into the driveway, maybe pull out this plastic bed liner and see if there's any other surprises. Yeah. Okay, so it is now daytime, and I was getting ready to start recharging this and test it out. And I've already found a few more wasp nests. One was in the bed of the truck. I could follow wasps flying in. There was another one over here in the front by the front headlight on the passenger side. And we've got another one. And this time they're live. So I've got live wasps now. And this nest is right in the back by the hinge there. I got wasps flying out, dying. Die. So They're a little more active now. It definitely was good to come in the morning to take care of these nests, but it was harder to tell where they were because you couldn't follow the wasps. I'm gonna finish off this can on this. All right, any other wasps? Flying around. Okay, I think I'm good now. I think I'm good. There's a wasp right there. Dang wasps. Okay, let's try to start this car. Let's see if it'll start up. I don't even want to stick my hand on this latch still. I don't want any wasps inside. Okay, nothing. I'm getting nothing. Okay, that's what I thought. Got a wasp flying around just outside the window. I want that guy dead. He's looking for his nest. Die. Die, 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 wasp, die. So just to give a quick update, it's now the afternoon and I keep trying to move the truck so I can jump it because there's not enough room to jump it here. And there's another wasp. Every time I try to move it, I find a few more wasps. I found a few new nests, one in the exhaust pipe of the truck, one just right here in the tailgate, and another on the other side in the tailgate. I found one up near the hinge of the front hood on the driver's side and one on the passenger side headlight. They're too active right now for me to try to move it. And every time I do, even the ones that have kind of ran away from the nest keep coming back. And I've used up 3 bottles of wasp spray. I'm on my 4th. Just trying to deal with these things. Just as a note, this is what I've got so far out of the truck. I've still got quite a few that are in there because I can't get them out because the wasps are too busy. So this is the stuff out of the door and the stuff out of near just under the hood in the radiator area. I'm gonna be brave. I'm gonna see what happens if I open the tailgate. Okay. Cool, nothing happened. A few wasps. There's one from in the tailgate. Nasty. There's that one with some juicy wasps still.
Yeah.
All right, I'm feeling a little defeated. It's getting later into the evening now. I think I've got all the nests. And there's still frickin' wasps flying everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna call it for the day. I believe I've got all of the nests now. I think this is truly all of them that I've sprayed. There's still a few that I need to dig out. There's still some wasps lingering around. But they don't seem to, okay, stay away. They don't seem to be finding their nests anymore. So I hope that's all of them. I'm gonna call it quits for the day. This is a start to giving this truck some new life. This 98 Tacoma is awesome. I've had it since 2007. So I've had it for a long, long time. I've loved it. I've never wanted to let it go. It's been on lots of scout camps. And it's time to revive it, give it some new life. And we'll do some of that in the next video. So the next video, I'll probably get it out on the driveway, clean it up a little bit, get it started, and go over all the list of things, known issues that I have, that it has, really. And we'll start taking care of them one video at a time. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments. What would you guys do with this Tacoma? And as always, look for opportunities. Trucks, cars. I'm outside, I'm not in the shop. So as always, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao. SuperTaco.